All right, so today I'm going to be showing you guys a video on one of my channels that's made $354. Mind you, this channel did get demonetized for a little bit, and it pretty much stopped making money. Okay, I'm going to show you right here, just to start it off. This video made $324 in the first 4 days. This video would have cleared probably $1,000 by now, whatever the case is. But look, I'm going to show you right off the bat. The revenue, $12 CPM for 1,000 views. $5.27 is what I was taking home for 1,000 views, right? So a lot of you guys want to become YouTubers. A lot of you guys want to get into the YouTube space. No problem. What you want to do is get a YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel. Go create your Google account, create your channel, get your name, get your banner, get your profile picture, whatever that's going to be, and let YouTube know whatever it is you're going to be talking about on your channel. Let them know in your description. Write something. It doesn't have to be something super long. Just give a couple details, whatever the case is. Then you're going to want to go into your settings here. You're going to want to go into the channel. You're going to want to go into keywords here. You're going to want to go into defaults if you have any, things like this, right? You're going to want to get all that set, all your basic info. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to study whatever content you want to get into. Go study whatever the person is or whatever the content creators are that you want to kind of get into that niche. Go study what they're doing. Go study their hashtags, study their thumbnails, study their hooks, study what they're talking about. Don't worry about the camera. Don't worry about the crazy 4K, this, that, and the third. Get a simple mic. If not, use your iPhone. Your iPhone has a mic as well. Your laptop has a mic, and your iPad. You can use all of those things. But what I would tell you is this: start posting content. Don't worry about editing, because that's not going to matter. You're not going to grow. Like you're going to take 2 weeks to edit one video. Forget all that. You need to be worried about content. So start thinking about when that's part of when you think about your niche. Think about how much content you can produce in that niche. Start, because you don't want to do a vlog once and then you can't do a vlog until 2-3 weeks, and it's not going to work. You're going to be on this slow path, and you're going to be stuck, and you're going to be not motivated because you're not going to get views. You're not going to get impressions. The best way to grow is by getting impressions on YouTube. You need to get impressions. You need to get in people's face. So you need to start posting content. Post. Now, the quickest way to do that is reaction videos. You want to start reacting to things that are already being produced for you. That way you don't have to think about a title. You don't have to think about the content. You just react to other people's content, right? Boom. Once you start getting into people's face, they start knowing who you are. Then you could mix in a little vlog here and there. You can mix in some other type of content. Do whatever you want to do. Your hair, your car stuff, your food. Do all of those things, okay? Now, the reason I say you're going to want to start posting as much as possible so you can get comfortable with the camera. Those are the things that you're not going to really think about when you start posting. You want to start getting comfortable talking to a camera, putting your face on camera, letting people be able to see your face and be comfortable with that. That's number one, because a lot of people are not comfortable. They want to get in the habit of pulling out a camera and talking, being okay with that, being okay with not having a clean haircut. Doesn't matter. What are you talking about on here? What are you providing to the people? What value are you giving? Those are the things you need to worry about. Okay. Number two, you're not going to make money. Just get it in your head. You're not going to make money for 6 to a year. 6 months to a year, you're not making money. Unless you already, someone like myself, and you already know, and you've gone through 3, 4, 5 years of YouTube, and now you understand how to grow a channel. Pow. That's completely different. Most people I'm talking to now are straight beginners. It's going to take you some time, especially if you're doing the vlogs. Like I said, you're worried about editing. You're taking too much time to get content out. You're not consistent. You're going to be on a slow path. Then it's going to get in your head. Then you're going to get not motivated. And then you're going to be on this slow path. And you don't want to do that. The faster you could start seeing content grow, either it's 10 views, 15 views, you're seeing a comment, a like, people are messing with your content, then you're going to be like, oh my gosh, now I got to go. Now I got to boom. Now you're motivated. Now you cut that year into 5 months. Now you cut that 6 months into 3 months. to start seeing even $1. So you have to be okay with not getting paid at the beginning. You have to understand that this is a real grind. It's like you're going through 4 years of college, getting your master's degree. This is what this is. You have to really grind. I'm not going to sit here and tell you like the rest of the people, oh, it's going to be some fast. No, it can be fast, but you got to be on a work ethic. You got to be able to pull your camera out 4 or 5 times a day, upload, think about the titles, do the SEO, things like that, then get the thumbnails done and be able to work and be able to pay your bills at the same time. That's why I say it's not going to be that easy at the beginning. Can this be something you supplement and you turn into a full-time thing? Of course. We all know that, especially depending on what niche you're getting into. So there's so many ways to go about it when it comes to YouTube, but the biggest thing is start recording, man. Start recording. That way you get content out, you understand, you start seeing analytics, you start seeing watch time, you're able to break things down, you're able to see your reach, you're able to see your impressions. This one video got 67,000 views and got me 332,000 impressions, meaning my face on this thumbnail got seen by 322,000 people. In one video, right? You can go over impression click-through rate, all of these things. You can go over engagement. You can go over what was most replayed. You can go over where the subscribers came from, how many subscribers you got from this video. This video pulled in 171 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? That's a quarter of what you need to get monetized. One video, you know? So give yourself a chance. Every time you post it, you're just giving yourself a better chance of getting into the algorithm, getting your face pushed and getting your videos pushed out to an audience. And then you start building a community. And then you got to keep your face in the community's face though. You got to keep posting. You can't post, go viral, and then not post. Then your channel's dead. Right? You got to stay relevant. You got to be able to keep your audience entertained. You got to be able to put content out. You got to be able to do those things. Now, once you have all of that set, we could get into all of the nitty gritty of YouTube and all of the things you really need to learn. That's just like a basic form. That's just like a very quick understanding. I'm gonna try to do this under 10 minutes. Like I said, you guys could get to this where you're making money off YouTube. Like I said, this is one video. Then we can get into the numbers. It's like if you're posting 5-10 times a day, maybe throughout 3 channels, and we're doing numbers like this, you do the math. It's very doable. And depending on the niche you're doing it in, I mean, you could be making some really good money. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be honest with you. Really think about what niche you want to get into. People and advertisers are not gonna want to pay people who are just on here doing wild stuff. You got to think about what the dollar bills are going to pay, who the advertisers are going to pay, what kind of content, what you're saying, what you're promoting, you know, what's already getting paid or what's already out there. So really, really think about those things. And then when you get on YouTube, go out and engage with those people, engage with people in those communities that are your niches that you want to get into. Start putting yourself out there to those people. Don't get on social media. Like I said, don't tell your family. Don't tell those people. Your biggest supporters are going to come from the strangers. And then also people who are trying to grow in your niche. Don't be a hater. Don't be one of those people out there trying to, oh, this guy's in my niche, so he's competition, man. Forget all that. There's so many people on this space right here. There's so many eyes looking for channels just like yours. Don't be a hater, man. Put out good energy. And just learn through the process. Don't worry about, you know, your equipment. You could upgrade your equipment throughout the time. I'm telling you. So that's really all I got. You know, I'm not going to make this video too long. Like I said, don't worry about times to post and things like that. I'll get into different videos and different scales of videos to where we can go ahead and get you guys really going on YouTube. Worry about getting your 1,000 subscribers, get your 4,000 watch hours, but you're not going to get it without posting. So that's the last thing I got for you guys, man. Make sure you guys hit that like button. I'll come back with a part 2 or something like that for you guys. But this is pretty much YouTube in 10 minutes for you guys. And that's what I got, man. I'm going to catch you on the next one. I'm out. If you got any questions, drop them down below.